So let's see. I'm gonna divide my hair. It doesn't have to be straight all the way. This hair here. I have a lot of baby hair. And make sure that this is slick. Ariana Grande hair is pretty much sleek. I'm gonna moving on this side. This should be the slick. Grab my elastic. Make sure that it's very tight. A little bit hair standing up here, we can put that more gel or hairspray. Like I told you guys, I have a lot of baby hair, especially on this side. So I'm gonna apply more spray because as you can see, I have a lot of baby hair on this side. Okay, so you have two options. For me, I have very short hair because I cut it. I actually really regret to cut my hair, but I have hair extension. It's most likely similar to my hair, but I wanted my hair to look long, like just Ariana Grande, gentle. We wanted to have long hair, so we can have long hair. So look guys how I install my hair extension. It will not show that elastic rubber on my hair. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of my hair. Actually, I'm gonna take a natural hair from inside. No, this is not alright. Let's spray a little bit on this side. And as you can see, this one guys, I leave a little bit of my hair so I can wrap it here so it will not show the extension clip. This is my natural hair. That's it much for today guys for Ariana Grande's signature hair ponytail. So I'm just gonna put makeup and I'll be right back.